What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Claude AI's new model Sonnet 3.5 and I'll share a few tips on how to get the most out of this tool. I will link an extensive guide with example prompts in the video description. To get started with Claude, head to Claude AI and create an account if you haven't already. Once you're done, you can start chatting with Claude Sonnet 3.5, the newest and most powerful model. To understand how this large language model differentiates from ChatGPT, you can start prompting it. One noticeable difference is that Claude Sonnet 3.5 has a larger context window. This feature allows for more precise answers, especially useful for complex tasks like coding or summarizing uploaded files. For instance, I will ask Claude Sonnet 3.5 to summarize an uploaded handwritten note. This demonstrates its ability to perform complex tasks on uploaded images using a simple prompt. As you can see, Claude AI handles this task with ease. After starting a conversation, you can access the chat controls from the top right of your screen. This feature allows you to preview all the content you've added or change the font of the conversation, enhancing your user experience. If you're looking for a coding or writing assistant, enable artifacts from the main homepage. This new feature allows you to share standalone content, such as a source code, PDFs, or website designs, and work on parts of the content in a dedicated window, separate from the main conversation. This helps you keep track of content without having to scroll up and down to find what you're looking for. Next, we can go over some of the strengths Claude AI offers. With a large context window, you can summarize uploaded files or extract text from images. You can also convert images of UI design to front-end code. This is great to quickly optimize your website design or try out layouts others are using. You might be surprised to see what Claude AI can do when prompting it to generate custom Excel formulas based on your uploaded file, or use more complex prompts. In this example, I will ask it to write a Python script that implements a neural network from scratch. Then, I request an explanation of each component of the code and how it relates to the underlying mathematical concepts. Access your account settings by clicking on the bottom left. Here, you can change your account name, billing options if you're on a paid plan, delete your account, switch from light to dark mode, and access help or support for this tool. It's important to note that Claude does not retain your data. Anthropic, the company behind Claude, states that it automatically deletes prompts and outputs on its backend within 90 days. If you have privacy concerns with LLMs, Claude AI might be a better choice than ChatGPT. If you want to use the Claude app on your mobile device, download it from the Google Play Store or App Store. You can also create a web app via your browser on Mac or Windows to quickly access Claude AI on your PC without having to visit the webpage every time. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.